the body roll is just there. You can feel the brick road right now. You really have to maneuver this thing. You do feel its weight. Can we make it in one turn? We can.
Hey guys, here we have the Toyota Hilux GRS. This is a very badass truck. We have a wide body right here.
So we are now at the back seat of the Hilux GRS. This is set to my driving position. I have this amount of headroom. Legroom is fairly large as well. Footroom, well, if I raise my seat, I'll get more. Here you have 2 cup holders on the armrest. Nice red seat belts right there. So let's go ahead and take it for a drive. So to start the Hilux GRS, just press this start button, conveniently located here. There you go, GR logo upon startup. Turn on the air conditioning, you have your fan speed right here. Dual zone. Here's a touchscreen infotainment as well. This is pretty much standard on every Toyota, well, on the higher trims. You have this GR steering wheel, sports steering wheel, with the GR logo right there, leather wrapped with perforations on the side. Multifunction, you have your cruise control right here, together with your Toyota Safety Sense. You have your 4x4 controls right here. Eco and power driving modes. You have 2 cup holders right here. Wireless charging. A nice little cubby right there. And yeah, a decently sized center console. You have your key right here with your GR logo, your lock, unlock, and alarm system. You have paddle shifters as well, automatic headlights. Nice materials on the door with this trim right here. And the gauges look nice as well, like a watch. So let's go ahead and take it for a drive. Now, instantly driving this truck, you can feel its size. The steering is a bit on the heavy side. There's a diagram here that tells you the angle of the steering. I also noticed there's a cup holder right here, conveniently placed on the air vent. So being a pickup truck, there's no load at the back right now, and you can feel the brick road right now. And the 2.8 liter diesel engine, you can hear it inside the cabin, and it adds to that sporty character of this Hilux GRS. Visibility is also great. You have large greenhouse. The hood line is also high, so you can see it right there. At the back, the rear visibility is quite good. You can see the corners of the bed, and what's nice is that on the side mirror you can see just how wide that oversized fender is. At 20 kilometers an hour, the doors automatically lock. So let's talk about some of the features of the Hilux GRS. Here you have your parking sensors on and off, your blind spot monitoring system right here, you can turn that off as well, your 360 view, so it does have a 360-degree camera. So we're now taking it to the slalom course right here. Power delivery is very good. The handling is surprisingly well as well. There's a lot of feel through the steering wheel, but the body roll is just there. Turning radius, let's check how tight it is. Can we make it in one turn? We can. Switch it to power mode. Whew, the torque is a lot. This is a very fun truck to play around with, but it does feel heavy actually. Around the course, you really have to maneuver this thing. You do feel its weight, but the engine, the torque, oh my god, there's a lot of torque. So we're still in power mode. If we switch it to eco, there, the power delivery is much more smoother. It's not as intense. And that's what's nice about the driving modes for Toyota. Like the throttle inputs, when you're in power mode, it really gives you the power. But when you're in eco mode, that's you're driving in the city, light throttle inputs means light power as well. But still, driving this around town may be a little bit of a challenge. It still feels like that old school pickup truck, the very macho. Thankfully, they have added a 360-degree camera here so that you can easily see your surroundings, because again, this is a high truck and a very wide truck as well. So let's park this Hilux GRS, this very huge truck. I am still very reliant on the side mirrors, but the cameras are a nice touch. And it is easy to place the car on center. This is the best that we can do. Turn the park, handbrake, and I really love the red seat belts together with the GR embroidered headrests there. The seat bolstering are also thick, so you feel planted on your seat. To turn off the car, you just press this off on the air conditioning and hit the start stop. So there you go, guys. That was a POV drive of the Toyota Hilux GRS. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to be notified once I upload a new video. This has been TJ. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.